Hi there. We're all too familiar with sugar, a sweet enemy often referred to as a silent poison that contributes to a host of dangerous health issues. What's surprising is that even though we know how harmful it can be, it's incredibly hard to resist its allure. Just like cigarettes, we know it's bad for us, yet we can't seem to quit. That's why many people have taken a bold step to say no to sugar, curious to see how their bodies might transform after a certain period. The 30-day sugar-free challenge is their way of testing this life-changing shift. So, let's dive in and uncover what these participants experienced and the remarkable results they achieved. First, let's clarify what going sugar-free actually means. As you might already know, sugar doesn't just show up in candies or sugary drinks. It's sneaky and hides in everyday items like soda, processed snacks, sauces, and even fruits. The key here is not whether sugar is present, but how much of it we're consuming. That's why completely eliminating sugar from your diet is nearly impossible. In this challenge, participants are asked to eliminate added sugars, which include sweet treats like candy, cakes, and sodas, highly sugary fruits like sugarcane, boxed fruit juices, or sugar-loaded desserts. They're still allowed to enjoy natural, mildly sweet fruits like apples, oranges, bananas, and strawberries. Wholesome options that not only satisfy their cravings, but also provide essential nutrients. After completing the challenge, participants, while each having their unique experience, reported some truly incredible positive changes in their bodies. These results were so surprising and inspiring that they encouraged others to consider trying this healthier lifestyle for themselves. Are you ready to discover what this 30-day journey could do for you? Stay tuned as we explore more. First change, blood sugar levels. Regularly consuming foods and drinks high in added sugars can wreak havoc on your blood sugar levels, significantly increasing your risk of developing type 2 diabetes, one of the most serious health threats today. When you consume too many sugary foods, your blood sugar spikes, leading to a cascade of health issues. To stabilize these blood sugar levels, your body releases the hormone insulin, often referred to as a transporter, that helps move sugar from your bloodstream into your cells to be used as energy. However, if you continuously overload your system with sugar, your body becomes resistant to insulin. At this point, not only do your blood sugar levels remain dangerously high, but insulin also loses its effectiveness, resulting in cellular damage and increasing your risk of chronic illnesses such as diabetes, cardiovascular disease, and strokes. Participants in the 30-day sugar-free challenge reported a significant positive change. Their blood sugar and insulin levels dropped noticeably, returning to a healthier, more stable range. This is a clear indication of a healthier body, with a reduced risk of chronic diseases. Second change, natural weight loss. Foods and drinks high in added sugars are often loaded with calories, but lack essential nutrients like fiber and protein, two critical components that help you feel full and curb cravings. Without enough fiber and protein, your body feels hungry more quickly, leading to overeating and, ultimately, weight gain. Additionally, sugar is a major contributor to visceral fat, the dangerous type of fat that builds up around your internal organs, increasing the risk of non-alcoholic fatty liver disease, even in individuals with a normal body weight. Participants in the 30-day sugar-free challenge experienced significant weight loss. When paired with a diet rich in protein and fiber, they not only shed fat, but also felt fuller for longer, enabling their bodies to grow healthier and more balanced with each passing day. Third change, improved oral health. We've all heard the saying, sugar causes cavities, and it's true. Added sugar is one of the leading culprits behind tooth decay and gum disease, affecting not only children, but adults as well. This happens because bacteria in your mouth break down sugar, producing acid, the main culprit that erodes tooth enamel and damages the structure of your teeth. However, when you reduce your sugar intake, the risk of cavities and gum issues drops significantly. Participants in the sugar-free challenge reported noticeable improvements in their oral health, giving them healthier, more confident smiles. Fourth change, a healthier liver. A diet high in sugar, especially fructose, is closely linked to the risk of developing non-alcoholic fatty liver disease, NAFLD. This condition occurs when fat builds up in the liver, impairing its ability to function properly and negatively impacting overall health. Research has shown that reducing sugar intake can significantly decrease liver fat. Additionally, the liver, often referred to as the body's detox powerhouse, becomes more efficient when it's no longer burdened by excess sugar. Fifth change, a healthier heart. A sugar-heavy diet is closely tied to cardiovascular issues, including high blood pressure, elevated triglycerides, and spiking levels of bad cholesterol, LDL. These factors not only strain your heart, but also increase the risk of heart disease and strokes. Participants in the 30-day sugar-free challenge reported significant improvements in their cardiovascular health, stabilized blood pressure, lower LDL cholesterol, and an overall sense of feeling lighter and healthier. This underscores a powerful truth. A healthier heart starts with saying no to sugar. Comprehensive benefits. The bigger picture. Cutting out sugar doesn't just lead to noticeable health improvements. It also enhances many other aspects of daily life. Better sleep. Without sudden blood sugar spikes and crashes, you'll fall asleep more easily and wake up feeling refreshed. Improved mood. Reducing sugar helps alleviate anxiety and stress, promoting a more stable and positive mindset. Radiant skin. With inflammation caused by sugar reduced, your skin becomes smoother, brighter, and less prone to acne. Sustained energy. Instead of experiencing energy highs and lows, you'll feel consistently energized throughout the day. Replacing sugary foods with options rich in protein, fiber, vitamins, and minerals doesn't just enhance your health. It lays the foundation for a sustainable, healthier lifestyle. So, there you have it. The incredible changes your body and mind can experience when you cut out sugar for just 30 days. From improved energy levels and radiant skin to a healthier heart and better sleep. This challenge isn't just about saying no to sugar. It's about saying yes to a healthier, happier version of yourself. Now it's your turn. Why not give it a shot? Start your own 30-day sugar-free challenge and see the difference it makes in your life. Don't forget to share your experience in the comments below. We'd love to hear your story. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, share it with someone who might need a little inspiration, and hit that subscribe button to join our growing community of health enthusiasts. Turn on notifications so you never miss out on content that helps you live your best life. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.